Hey kids, today's lesson name is Plants as Food. Before starting this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Kids, we get most of our food from plants. Plants gives us vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses and spices. Let's discuss vegetables in detail. We get vegetables from different parts of plants like roots, stems, leaves, and flowers. The vegetables we get from the roots are beet, radish, carrot, and turnip. The vegetables we get from the stems are potato, onion, ginger, and taro. The vegetables we get from leaves are cabbage, spinach, coriander, and mint. Let's discuss fruits in detail. Fruit is the fleshy and juicy part of a plant. Look at the given pictures. There are some fruits and vegetables in the basket. Color the right and their names with the help of the clue box. The first one is strawberry. The second one is grapes. The third one is carrot. The fourth one is lychee. The fifth one is cauliflower. The sixth one is banana. The seventh one is tomato. Now let's discuss cereals and pulses. We eat the grains of some plants. Grains are of two types. One is cereal and pulses. Wheat, rice, barley and maize are some cereals. Cereals gives us energy to work and play. For example, wheat, rice, barley and maize. Kidney beans or rajma, black gram, white gram and dals are some pulses. For example, rajma, black gram, white gram. Moong and masoor are common dals we eat. They help us to grow. For example, moong dal, masoor dal. Cereals and pulses are together called food grains. Let's discuss spices in detail. We use spices to add flavor in our food. Red chilies, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, cardamom, etc. are called spices. For example, red chilies, cumins, clove, and cardamom. Let's discuss tea, coffee, cocoa, and sugar. Tea leaves are dried and used as tea. Coffee seeds are grinded into powder and used as coffee. Tea and coffee are called beverages. Tea leaves with tea. Coffee seeds with coffee. Cocoa with chocolate. Cocoa is used to make chocolates. We get sugar from the stem of the sugarcane plant. Let's take the correct option. 1. We get most of our food from A. Plants, B. Animals, C. Insects. The answer is A. Plants. We get most of our food from plants. 2. We also eat some vegetable raw as a flesh, B. Fruit, C. Salad. The answer is C. Salad. We also eat some vegetable raw as salad. 3. Dash is the fleshy and juicy part of a plant. A. Flower, B. Stem, C. Fruit. The answer is C. Fruit. Fruit is the fleshy and juicy part of a plant. 4. We eat the grains of some A. fruits, B. vegetables, C. plants. The answer is C. plants. We eat the grains of some plants. 5. Tea and coffee are called A. food grains, B. beverages, C. spices. The answer is B. beverages. Tea and coffee are called beverages. Write T for true and F for false. We get most of our foods from animals. It is false. We get most of our foods from plants. Cauliflower and broccoli are flowers that we eat. That is true. Cauliflower and broccoli are flowers we eat. 3. Cereals and pulses are together called food grains. It is true. Cereal and pulses are called food grains. Tea leaves are dried and used as coffee. It is false. Tea leaves are dried and used as tea. 5. We use spices to add flavor in our food. That is true. We use spices to add flavor in our food. Name the parts of plants we eat as vegetables. We get vegetables from different parts of plants like roots, stem, leaves, and flowers. 2. What is a fruit? Fruit is a fleshy and juicy part of a plant. Fruit is a fleshy and juicy part of a plant.